Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Benton County, northwestern Camden County, southwestern Morgan County until 2:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 1:32 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles west of Lori, or 16 miles east of Warsaw, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lake of the Ozarks, Versailles, Lori, Gravois Mills, Hastings, and Zora. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Missouri: Benton, Camden, and Morgan.
Was Doris Day son. Jay Coffey, so Prime Video's Fallout returns next month with its second season, and we're getting a closer look at the action ahead as the Vault Dwellers hit the road and visit New Vegas. Now, the highly anticipated 8-episode season will premiere December the 17th on